Hello mga Mujobills. I bought this one during the sale and I would like to sell this. Who is interested of buying this one? I guess it is a 1 foot rule, one ruler. The length is one ruler and it is really a cute tray. You can put something here like in your table. You can put some skyflakes or mamoon or whatever. So I'm going to resell this one. It is very cheap. If you are interested, just message me. So it is a silver thing. Ewan ko silver ba to, hindi naman ako marunong. Pero tang ding 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 ding. At kaya mo talagang pag manalamin ka, kitang-kita talaga ang sarili mo pag ikaw ay manalamin. See, nakasalamin ako niyan. Kitang-kita ang aking face lock. Kung gusto mo to, ibenta ko to.